Alright, here it comes. Okay, this train sounds real loud. Man, somebody just dumped those 4 tires there. They're still there. You see it now? Oh boy. I can't wait. Oh, this one's going real fast. Here it comes. Whoa, where's the rest of the train? That's like a fake out runaway train. Let's go chase it. Let's see what happens. I want to see how far this thing goes. Okay. Catch up to it. Oh, but oh, there it is. Look. Oh, God. Look at that. Whoa, how fast are we going? About what? About 45 miles an hour? But I thought we were hitting about 100. Oh, but this train looks like it's really going fast. Yeah, this feels like we're racing the train. He's actually beating us. I wonder where he's going in such a hurry. I mean, it's not like he's pulling anything. I guess that weight is what makes him go so fast. He's not pulling anything. Hey, it's pretty loud. I guess we could kind of give up the chase now. I mean, I don't know. Probably just gonna go up the road and turn right back around. You know what would really be weird? If all of a sudden it was to just completely disappear. I mean, oh man, that would really be weird.